So in this support topic, I'm going to go over how to add and edit images and documents to your media library. So I'm going to start off here at the dashboard. This is what you'll see right after you log in. So you go to Media right here, this button on the left sidebar here. It'll bring up your media library. It'll show all the existing photos on your website here. And to add a new photo, if you have it on your desktop, it's as simple. You can just click it and drag it on over and it'll upload. But if you don't know where it is, or if you have it in a folder somewhere, you can hit Add New up here. You can hit Select Files, and there you go. It'll bring up a document browser for you to select your file. But since it's right here on my desktop, I'm just going to drag it on in and let go. So here's the photo. To edit the photo, I can click on it. I can see a lot of details about it. I can set an alternative text here. So this describes the image. So if the image is purely decorative, you don't really need to for accessibility, but it's still 100% recommended that you put descriptions for these images in, because search engines like Google do look for this. They will, these could be potential keywords that Google would look for. So it'd be good to have your business name in here and describe what the image is trying to sell. So you can put that information in here. If you want to view the image on its own, you can hit copy URL to clipboard, and if I open a new tab and paste it, there's the full image. So I can actually save this if I wanted to, or send this picture to someone else. It's already hosted there. So to edit the image, there's a button right here below the image. I just hit edit, and it gives you a couple little options here. So I can resize the image if I wanted to. I can crop the image right here, so if I wanted it to be a perfect square for a site, I can do that. There's the thumbnail now. I can change it to all image sizes. I can change it to just the thumbnail if I wanted to, or all sizes except for the thumbnail. So this allows for a couple unique editing perspectives where you want to affect one part of your site, but this image might appear somewhere else and you don't want to affect that. So here I can crop. You can see I have it set to 1 by 1, so now it'll only let me do a square. I can select where I want that crop to go. Then once we're done, we can just click crop again. So now my image is cropped. I can rotate my image. This can sometimes happen a lot of times where you take an image from an iPhone and put it on this website, put it on a website. It can be upside down sometimes. So here you can just quickly rotate them, you can flip them, and then once you're happy with it, you can hit save. And now that is live. All the images on your website will be updated as well immediately once you refresh the page. And that is how to add and edit images and documents to your media library.